Hello there and welcome to another video from me, how to do that with Matt. And I've been asked a lot about how I put images into videos and videos into images and how I mix them together. So this magic is all done with one of the tools I use is Canva. I'm going to start off with this basic blank screen, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into elements and I'm going to look for first of all a wall. I use this one, so I'm going to put that there. Now there's my image, but what I also need is a video. So I'm going to look for a video of, let's have a look. What have we got? There's a nice one. A rainy day. So there's a video of a rainy day. Now I need something to look through there, so I'm now going to look for a window. Graphics. That's pretty good. I'll use that one. So there we go. So there's our window. Now I'm going to move the video to one side for a moment, and I'm going to move the wall to one side, because what I want to do is I just want the edges of the wall to make it look like we have the window, because obviously the window is going to be on top of the wall, but we don't want to see the wall through the window. So I'm just going to bring that up to the edge of the screen, and don't forget this picture, this is the edge that's going to be seen on social media. So there's my wall. I'm going to bring the wall back, and then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to use this duplicate button to create another wall, and I'm going to bring that to the other side of the page, and I'm going to send that using this position button up here, and I'm going to send it to the back, because the next thing we want is not that. I'll put that back, shall I? Yeah, I will. So I'm going to get the video next, and I'm going to bring the video in front of this window. Now what I want to do is try and get the window to be as close to the edge of the video as I can. And then when I've got the video where I kind of want it, I don't think I want too much tree in it. I'll put the tree to the side like that. And then I'm going to use the position button again, and I'm going to send it all the way to the back, so it's behind the wall and everything. So there we have, in these layers, we've got, let's have a look at the layers. So show layers. So there we have, on here you can see we've got at the front, at the top is the window, then we have the wall, and then we have another wall. We can actually bring that wall up here, because then at the very back will be the video behind all of the walls and all of the windows and everything. And of course in the background we've got the white blank background there. So now I'm going to go up to the play button, and we're going to have a look to see what that looks like while it's running. So there's the start of our social media post. Now what we want to do is maybe over the top of that we could either choose standard text, or we can have a look at some of these presets that they've got, like this, something nice and sparkly and glowing to put on there. And we could put in there something like, never mind the weather, and I'm going to highlight all of that, and I'm going to bring it down to a more kind of manageable size. So let's just make that a bit bigger. In fact, what we could do is we could fit that in that window part there. And if I bring the edges in to there and to there, then I can Control A and bring that up a bit more. And also, yeah, it's already centralized, that's good. So then, never mind the weather. And we could say, listen to our podcast indoors instead. And then we could put something like a www underneath or something like that, or a link or whatever you like. And then we can also make this text animated. So like we could have it, there we go, perfect. So I've just chosen a wiggle, and you can also choose the intensity of wiggle, like it's being buffeted by the wind. And just bring that down a little bit, I think, into the middle there. And then we'll have a look at what that looks like, the finished product. Lovely.